Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I'm gonna replace the power steering pump, because for Kia Sedona 2006 to 2012 same thing. The first thing what I will do, like, I'm gonna drain the fuel. If you see here, it is leaking. As usually the pump has nothing wrong, just the sealing. The seals need replace. I will show you how we're gonna open it. If you want, you can replace buy a new one, or just replace the seals. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, because the new one is gonna be around, if you're gonna buy it from eBay or Amazon, I think is around 80. But from AutoZone, Advanced Auto, people use this, it's gonna be a little bit expensive. It's around 150 and more. It depends what the brand that you're gonna buy. First thing, I'm gonna drain the fuel. I'll show you this, and after lose the belt. After done, it has like 2 screws. I will open them and I will take it out. The hose, I will take it too. If you see here, it's already, I opened the control arm, the root end, because it has replaced, and I saw this is gonna be easier for me. I have more access to reach the power steering pump. If you want to see this, you're gonna see it in different video how I'm replace the control arm, root end, the joint ball joint. Okay, now I will lose the belt. If I open this here, if you see it, that one, the cover here, it was here. Just I take it out. It has 3 screws. Take it out, you're gonna have more access. Okay, if you see here, it has this belt, this for the tensioner for the belt, and it has this, the small screw. I'm gonna put the hinge ridges here. I'll move the tensioner this side. I'm gonna pull this belt. Look now, I put it. You see, I put it here. I put like extension this side. Just move it. Yeah, look now, is the belt is loose. Yeah, look, check it out. That's it. We lose the belt. Okay, now it has 2 screws. The power steering pump, it has one here and one behind the pump, and the top. I will open them. Look what I did here. I opened the screw. If you see the place for the screw, that one, it was here. Yeah, it was like this. I open it. After that, I squeeze it down just to make access to the screw. This in the top. Look, I just squeeze like this. Squeeze down. It has screw above of the pump. If you see, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think it's clear here. Yeah, if you see the screw over there in the top, you can see it clear. That one. Here. That one. It's opposite side. It's a little bit pain in the ass to reach the screw. I will use the wrench to open it. I don't have any other idea. Okay, now I will open this one. Hose here, that one's coming in. It's 24. Just I put it. It's already I lose it. I just return this screw here over there, just to make it stuck in the move. After that, I have here. I can put this. This screw. I took it off. And this the clip, same thing. Just has here like a small key. Just push it and pull it. I took it to. I will show you where is it was. Do you see this screw? One here, one over there. This behind it. Okay, now that I will put the new one. I bought this from AutoZone for 110, I think 115. What I will do, if you see here the first screw in the top, just I will put my hand from this way to cheat it from behind, or from this way. I bend it like this, squeeze it like. After that, just turn the screw. After then, I will put this one here. Okay, after I turn it back, now I will return the hoses. This one over there, and another one with this is the big screw, the high pressure. This one, this screw, okay. After turn, you see over there, this one, this here. Now I will turn the wire. Yeah, we'll see which right position I will just put. Okay, after done, I returned the belt. I'm just gonna take a picture for it to know how it's coming. It's coming this side. After then up this side. Go to the tensioner, back to here. And after you put it all of them, you're gonna put the range here. Put it here. Somebody gonna help you, just push it up. The tensioner is gonna go this side. When it's going this side, you're gonna have like a space to put the belt back. After done, yeah, it's like this. After done, I'm gonna turn the hoses. I'm gonna flush it. Okay, now after I return everything back, now what we'll do, like, I took the small one off, small hose. I found this is a small extension. I put it here and keep the big one. What we're gonna do, like, we're gonna flush the old one. We're gonna put the new power steering fluid here, and the power steering pump is gonna like pumping all the old one, and with that just move the steering back and forth. Just we're gonna see like the new one is coming. That's mean all the old one is going out, because the old one is gonna be, the color is around the black and it's dirty. The new one is, you're gonna see it, the new one. Let's do it. I got this from the dealer, around this 10 bucks each one. And find somebody to help it too, because it needs somebody to turn on the current off. Look here, I follow it. The big hose is gonna like suck the new one, and it's gonna back from this. It's gonna pump it.